What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Dr. Vlad in the house, and today is a beautiful Sunday, something different. It's not a rebuild video. We got a few people behind us. We got a little get together. We got probably 60 cars. The whole parking lot is full. Show you guys around all the cool cars that came in, and also take you guys on a quick rally with us. So hope you guys enjoyed this show. Let's go.
That's on you. If you guys want to speed or race with anybody, that's on you guys. But drive safe, be mindful for other people. The route sheet's right here. Once you guys get it, you guys can take a picture or give you your car, and then we'll head on our way. Thank you guys for coming.
Thank you.
You guys good?
There you go. Thanks, sir.
If we can today, we'll hop in.
The rally begins. I just showed you guys the map. That's the map we're gonna take, so we're not gonna drive crazy. I got my wife with me, and we never drive crazy. We obey all the rules, and we don't do anything illegal. So it's gonna be a fun little cruise. We're gonna enjoy. Wifey is super excited to go on the rally with me. Yeah.
No,
So yeah, we're gonna have some fun.
I'm super excited to go on our date.
And then we'll go on our date. But we'll enjoy the rally a little bit. So let the fun begin. Let the fun begin, guys. Yeah, buddy.
Freaking Lamborghini is wild.